Hi guys, and welcome back to yet another one of my cocktail vlogs. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Highlander. So this one was first published in 1998 by Paul Harrington in the Cocktail Bible of the 21st Century, I think it's called. I'll link to the book below so you can have a look and possibly buy it if you like. I don't actually have a copy of the book, but I've just stolen it off the website. The reason Paul featured this one is his dad. He loved rusty nails. He thought it was too sweet for him, and he was quite intrigued by French liqueurs after trying chartreuse. So he was starting to play with Dom Benedictine. So Dom Benedictine is a liqueur with a lot of herbs and spices, and it's going to be partnered with a Scotch Whisky. So today I'm going to use Monkey Shoulder. So there you have the Highlander, inspired by the rusty nail. Cheers. It's definitely not as sweet as a rusty nail, which is a good thing. You get a lot of those spices coming from the Dom Benedictine, and obviously the aromatic bitters as well. Quite surprised with this one, it works really well. Thanks for watching, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.